Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make all four sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 match different colors. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have the Govee TV Backlight 3 and have entered the Govee ecosystem. How do you actually make it so that all four sides match different colors? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go into your Govee TV Backlight, and do make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Afterwards, you're going to enter the TV backlight settings. If you scroll a bit down, you're going to see this toggle option between part and all. So if you set it to all, then all three sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 are going to match the same color that's dominant on screen. But if you set it to part, then all four sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 are going to match different colors. But that right there, guys, but in order to do this, guys, you want to go ahead and set it to part so that it matches different colors. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make all four sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 match different colors. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.